SMGV General Scholarship facilitated by Sri Mahavir Jain Vidyalaya is an initiative designed to provide a financial assistance to a deserving student who belong to Shwetambar Murti Pujak Jain community. This scholarship aims to elevate the financial burden of the education, ensuring that eligible student can pursue their academic aspiration with confidence and dedication. At any moment, if you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. What does the SMJV General Scholarship offers? Fully covers the tuition fees, examination fees and miscellaneous charges that covers the entire course duration. Additional support for the course related expenses including materials, equipment and resources. Exemption for the students residing in the college hostels, emphasizing the support for the external students. Recognizes the importance of the academic resources such as books, course materials and ensuring the comprehensive assistance for the students for their educational needs. Ready to apply? Here is what you'll need to have. Completed application form ensuring that all the details are accurately filled. ID proof verifying that applicant's identity. Mobile number, email ID for further communication. Sangh certificate confirming the applicant belong to a Jain community. College fees receipt validating enrollment. Certificate copies of all mark sheets from SSLC ensuring the academic performance. Admission letter of the university for the proposed study outlining the educational aspiration. Consent letter from the parent or the guardian underscoring the familial support. Self-appraisal form offering the insights into the applicant's aspiration and the goal. These attachments streamline application process and help assess the applicant's eligibilities effectively. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box, and if you feel that this information is valuable, then show some support by hitting the like button and share this information with all your friends. Now let's come back to the apply process video. Once you click on the link, download the application. As this application is offline mode, you need to fill out the details by hand. First, let's begin by attaching the passport size photograph, and then let's start entering the personal details like name of the applicant, father or the guardian name, surname, address, contact details along with a mobile number, email ID, date of birth, place of birth, native, district, religion, and please attach the certificate of the Sangh letter head in the format attached. Then you need to provide the details about your past education, that is examination passed in, year of passing, marks secured out of what, percentage, university and rank, prizes, medals if any. That is for all SSLC, class 12, first year, second year or many more if you have attended. Then you need to provide the details about your current education, name of the course, year of admission, duration of the course that is committed and completion year, then degree or the diploma, cost of education and university. If you are pursuing many more courses other than one, then please give the details of the same in a separate attachment sheet. If you are yet to get in the admission, give us the details in the separate sheet. Post education plans, opportunities, what you are planning, like you want to go for a placement opportunities, what amount of package, or if you want to get into a self-employment or the family business, please mention the same. Then you need to provide the cost of education or the cost of study, like fees as per the semester or per the year, total fees of the full course. Then classes fees per year, accommodation and food expenses per year, books, other facilities, total cost per year, income of the parent, PAN number of the parent, then students' income during the study period like stipend or anything, please mention of the same. Then you need to provide the details like association with Vidyalaya. Have you applied or received any other scholarship loan from the Vidyalaya? If yes, then please provide the details of the same, like in which year you have received and what was the amount you have received. Any closely family relative associated with the Vidyalaya such as student, please give the details of the same. Then you need to provide the very important detail, that is bank details, name of the bank, branch, savings account bank number, IFSC code, MICR code, and make sure that all the informations are correct. And there comes a self-declaration where you define all the given above information are true and applicant signature along with the date and place, and make sure that your parent or the guardian signature is mandatory. The last phase of the application is self-appraisal, where you need to fill out your name and all mark sheets attached, whether yes or no, you have to click on the tick mark. If it is not, then reason for pending. Any break in the academic career, please give the details yes or no. If you have taken a break in the education, please mention the reason. Sangh certificate format as attached. Admission letter for the proposed course obtained. Fees receipt attached or not. And please explain brief why you want to pursue this course and the future opportunities in English, Marathi, Gujarati or Hindi. Make sure that applicant must sign on this sheet and attach all the necessary documents and send it to the mentioned address. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with a Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. Who can apply for this scholarship? Shwetambar Murthy Jain by birth, emphasizing the community support. Resident of Maharashtra, reflecting the regional inclusivity. Pursuing the studies from class 11, 12, diploma, bachelor's in various fields. Applicant must have secured minimum of 60% in previous academic year. Applicant's annual family income should not exceed more than 8 lakhs rupees, ensuring that the deserving student should get a financial support. Applicant must fulfill all the eligibility criteria as mentioned above to be considered for this invaluable scholarship opportunity. If this scholarship is not suitable for you, then watch the video on the right side where engineering, medical, undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma student can grab up to 12,000 worth scholarship from Chief Minister Relief Fund.